If you want to receive your webmail directly to your Gmail, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your webmail to your Gmail so you can receive your email directly to your Gmail inbox. Okay, so you can see this is my web hosting cPanel. I am already in the cPanel. So from here, I'll go to my emails. So you can see here is my email. So I am going to connect this email. Okay. So just click connect devices. So here we will get all the information of our web email. So this is Namecheap web email. So you can have a hostinger and other web email, doesn't matter. Just you have to find these settings. Okay. So then I'll go to my Gmail. I wanted to connect. So with this email, this is Gmail, I wanted to connect my web email. So first of all, come to this email account and then settings. Click here. Then you will see all settings. Click here. After that, you can see account and import. Click here. So here you will find this option, check mail from another account. So we will work on this. So we will add our email account to this. So add a mail account, click here. So you'll see a pop-up. So first of all, we have to put the email address. So let's go to the email and this is our username, email address username. So we'll put this full email here. Then next. Then import email from other account POP3. Then click next. Okay, so here you will see username. So for username, I will give the full email, then password, your email password. You should have this password, your email password. So have mine here. So just I'm copying this and paste it here. After that, you can see this POP server. So we will use this outgoing server. Okay, so we need outgoing because our web email will send mail to our Gmail. So that's why we'll use this outgoing server. After that, just paste it here and port will be 995. Okay, so you can use 995 here and you can tick mark this, leave a copy, always use secure and label incoming message. So you will show label this from this email it's come. So add account, click here. Then if you want, you can add this account so you will able to send message also. So I am not going to do this for now. For just no, I don't want to send, just finish. Okay, then just refresh here. Now you can see my email address is added here. So you can see we can also delete this from here. Now let's test. Now I am going to another Gmail address and from here I will send email to my webmail. So this is the subject testing. Hello here. So I'm going to send mail to our web email. You can see then send. So it's already sent, message sent. Then we can go to here. First of all, let's check our email. So from here we can check our email. So check email. Let's see if we get this on the inbox. So open the inbox. You can see we received just here testing. After that, let's check here. Okay, I think it will take some time, but ultimately it will be here. You can see also we have a label here, so we can just see all the email coming from here. So let's wait a few seconds. Okay, now you can see we just received our mail here. and it was true. This is the true, and this is the form. So you can see we just received an email here. So it's working successfully. So I hope you understand how you can connect your web email to your Gmail so you can receive email directly to your Gmail inbox. So that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks.